everybody, hello and welcome to Satisfaction Roadmap to Online Income. So in this specific video presentation, what we're gonna do, we will go into what steps it's gonna be in a workshop. So basically everything gonna start with introduction, where I gonna go and show you what are the system, just a quick overview so you get your heads around. Then after that's done, we're gonna move into the step 2, which is gonna be getting ready, which basically is all about mindset, setting goals, choosing your niche and choosing your identity. Basically keep your mind in a way on a track that you won't lose the focus. The setting goals are gonna help us to set the goals, and we will know exactly when we need to focus on what stage. Then choosing your niche, that's all about your passion, so what passion you can follow, and then from there we're gonna identify how to make your identity so you have your personal brand going all the way. After that, once that's gonna be out of the way, we will move into the setting up the basics, which basically is creating your Gmail account, as that's what you will use for all your social media fan pages and everywhere where you will need to sign up for different tools and so on to make processes easier and keep organized. Then next gonna be creating your logo, where basically I'm gonna have the shortcuts where you're simply gonna replace some text, but I'll show you where you can do if you want to do it the better way. Then you will be able to do. If you want to do in the fastest way, I'm gonna try to do everything in a way that you can set up pretty much everything in much quicker way before we focus on the good stuff. Then next is gonna be creating your PayPal account, as you will need a place where you basically getting paid for your online income when we're gonna set up the systems. Then getting your social media account set up, which is basically creating your Facebook fan page, Instagram page, YouTube account, TikTok account, Pinterest account. Then at one stage we will move, like when we're gonna start posting content, we're gonna focus as well on different strategies on growing these social media accounts. As for each of them, there are different strategies. I'm gonna show you all the basics, or I will get someone to show you all the basics, so you can simply follow the processes and apply for your social media accounts. And at one stage, when we're gonna have the accounts grown, we will be able to monetize with different platform provided strategies, such as monetizing with ads. Then moving forward, we will go into creating your systems, which basically is creating your bridge page that will connect all your social media accounts, and creating your automated systems where you will be able to generate leads, because generating leads, it's part of the automated processes that will make you more money at a later stage. Creating your sales funnel as well, we will focus on that as well. So the basics would be set up. Then creating your content strategy, which is gonna be one of the most important parts after, as once we will have the very basic setup, then creating your content strategy is very important, so you can easily stay on track and save time instead of wasting where not supposed to. So creating your content planner, tracker sheets, I actually would have that ready as well for you, so you can simply make a copy and just get your heads around. Then planning out your content creation, basically planning out what content will go viral, what are potential to go viral, all the research and everything that's gonna go in it. Then creating your content itself and posting your content on social media. So once that's gonna be on out, it's gonna go into the ongoing processes, which will be always creating the content and sharing your content, but it pretty much comes out from creating your content strategy. It's just going forward to keep focusing on that, as that's going to be your traffic source that's going to lead into the systems that we will have been setting up everything by this point. And then while we're gonna focus on creating content and sharing content, we will add another module which is gonna be monetizing, which basically will be different ways how you will be able to, depends of your hobby, depends what way you go, but will be able to monetize, and you will be able to start seeing results and making money, such as we're gonna decide on what monetization module and strategy we will focus, such as affiliate marketing, which we will cover, as that will be one of monetization methods once our social media channel is gonna grow. Then setting up print on demand, probably depends of your chosen industry, but it pretty much can apply for every industry. Once you will create your identity as a brand, then advanced stage, obviously people will start to know, and you will be able to set up different print on demand products, put them on Etsy store or Shopify store, and sell to people as well as part of the strategy. And setting up PLR products, basically I'll show you how to find the right products and getting rights to resell. So basically you can buy them from people who already made, so you can save time, lots of time to creating them. And as well, I will show you how you can create your own digital products if you don't want to buy, but you want to go fully branding yourself. That's pretty much gonna be at one of the last stages, and that's pretty much all the system. I know it's might looks like there is quite a bit to learn. Well, there is quite a bit on the setup process, but once we're gonna get to the content creation and planned out everything, and then doing our monetization method, by that's supposed to be done before the end of day 30. So keep keep watching, keep looking out whatever comes on the way, and I'll see you on the lessons itself. Hope you're gonna enjoy. As always, if you have any questions, just leave a comment below this video in this lesson, or go to the community, and in a community there will be other people that will be able to answer your questions and help each other out. So thanks for watching again this short presentation. Hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, as always, keep me up to date and stay sharp, and I'll see you on the next video.